Fruit juice. Good for weight loss? Healthy or not? Take Boost for instance. Their nutritional information is actually available on their website. Let's take a look at the few healthiest looking drinks, shall we? Skinny Dip. Skinny has a total of 58.5 grams of net carbs after subtracting dietary fiber. For perspective, one bowl of rice is 43.6 grams of net carbs. Not very skinny in the carbo and sugar aspect, yeah? Vita C is 46 grams of net carbs, Protein Supreme is 57.5 total net carbs, Lean and Green Juice is 42.5, Gym Junkie is 53 grams, Superfruit Energy is 54 grams of net carbs. Why is carb content important to look at? Well, when you're trying to lose weight for slow metabolism and net carbs are high but protein and fiber is not, you get hungrier faster and you may experience an energy crash in your body. These metabolic processes will trigger you to actually eat more and you end up consuming more calorically. In addition, when you juice a fruit, you're shredding up its dietary fiber, which means it cannot do its job of lowering the glycemic response of your blood sugar. Essentially, you're ingesting a sugar bomb. You may argue that the overall calorie content of the drinks are relatively low. However, unless you're dead sure you can stay fasted on this drink as your meal without getting hungry for hours, having a smoothie where the carb content is so much higher than the protein, fat and fiber content is a nightmare for your metabolism and ability to stay full. So should you avoid fruits entirely? Well, fruits do contain essential vitamins and minerals and fiber, which is great for health. Just remember to eat the fruits whole rather than juiced, and in moderation, especially for the ones with higher sugar content. I'm Deborah and I provide nutritional tips for better metabolic health on my page almost every day.